Will there be a day that I get to stop making these videos about whether or not print marketing, door hangers, every door direct mail works? I'm exhausted of it. So today I'm on Facebook and I'm in a bunch of the Facebook groups, whether it's truck mount forums or pro window cleaning, because I know a lot of the guys in there. I've coached a lot of the guys in there. We do a lot of print marketing for the guys in there. And I saw someone today post a question. They said, hey guys, I just ordered door hangers and I'm curious, what is your results or what is your experience with door hangers? And every single comment on that post was negative. It said, door hangers don't work. Be careful of doing door hangers because you'll piss off more people than you'll get clients and stuff like this. Well, first off, I built almost my entire home service business off print marketing, whether it's door hangers, whether it's every door direct mail, whether it's putting postcards in newspaper boxes early on. That is how I built my entire home service business. So I know for a fact it works. And so I simply replied and said, door hangers work. However, you have to get out of the mindset that every door hanger is the same and every door hanger will get you the same result. It's asinine to think that way. It would be the same way of thinking like every billboard will get you the same result, or every TV commercial, or every Facebook ad, or every Google ad will get you the same result. That's asinine. The things you guys have to understand when it comes to print marketing, whether it's door hangers or direct mail, it's all the same. It doesn't matter. It works, for one. Because think about it. If somebody gets something in their hand and you provide a service that they want, and the offer's right, and the call to action's right, and the wording aligns with who that person is, they're going to buy from you. Now, all marketing works to some degree, but I'm telling you right now that every door direct mail, door hangers, postcards, putting them out by hand, anything print related still works. But the thing you have to understand is that it doesn't always work on the first time, and no marketing does. And that's what people do, is they put out 200 door hangers and they're like, oh, it didn't work for me. It's like, well, let me see your door hanger. And then I see it, and it's like, well, no wonder this didn't work, dude. The design's awful. It's not professional looking. There's no call to action. The offer was garbage, or there's not even an offer. You're giving someone 15% off or whatever the case is. There's so many things that you need to do to A/B test your print marketing, your Facebook ads, your Google ads. You should be A/B testing everything inside of your business when it comes to marketing until you can tweak it and tweak it, tweak it until you can figure out exactly what works, what messaging works with your clients. And I'm not saying give away the house. You don't have to actually discount your services at all for this stuff to work. All I'm saying is this: door hangers work. Print marketing works. It all works. You guys just aren't putting enough time. You're not becoming obsessed with it. You're not A/B testing. When the first batch fails, you give up. You're only putting out 200 to test. You should be putting out 2,000 to test until you change up the design, change up the offers, change up the call to actions, all of these things. So if you're wondering, does print marketing work? Yes. Does Facebook ads work? Yes. Does Google ads work? Yes. But they only work until you find the right messaging, the right offers, etc. So become obsessed with your marketing. Stop acting like things all of a sudden don't work. Like, door hangers have worked forever. Why do you think they just all of a sudden stopped? It makes absolutely no sense. And I'm sick and tired of the people in the Facebook groups who are complete morons, who have no idea what they're talking about. They haven't built big businesses. They spend almost no money on marketing. They put out a test size of 200 door hangers, and then they go and complain and say they don't work. Those people are idiots. Stop listening to them. Stop surrounding yourself with them. Stop asking those people questions. They don't know what they're talking about.